and welcome to You, and You. I'm the Budget Boss, and on this channel, we talk all things budget, money, finances, and even taxes. I believe that once you embark on that journey to financial empowerment and ultimately success, it's going to start with something. It's going to start with a budget. It is the foundation. On this channel, we explore things to help us get our budgets in check, in line, so that we can soar to financial success. Come and join our community to learn about budgeting, mastering your money, so that you can budget like a boss. And say it with me. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. See you later.